Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm doing a special shout out to my best friend Leo for making this video possible. So today, I'm doing this as a very special one. A top 5 for CBRO, which is called top 5 very powerful and brutal pistols in the game. As you may be requesting, that pistols have been used in every time. So, pistols are very powerful in every gaming, like a lot, in CSGO and CBRO. So, without taking this serious, let's start to get a countdown. So number 5, I'm giving you guys the Glock 817. We call it the pistol for the terrorist, but it does a lot of damage when we do try to test it out. The Glock can do a immense amount of damage when it has 2 settings. One, the normal mode that we always daily use. Shit. And also, the second part is the Glock can do a sane amount of damage. And also, it has a 2 setting. The Glock has a burst and also a semi-auto one. So the semi we always use it for sniping, and also the burst we use it for insane damage testing. I'm not gonna join about the crap of the US of that. Let's slice it to number 4. So number 4, we've given it out to the 2000. We call it the 2K, damage as the normal P2000. It's good for sprayers, and it's already happened in CT, so you may be really hard to try to get one of those hands on this pistol. And also, we have been really using this pistol for decades. It has been firing like berserk. The most likely to death doesn't like is killed by a P2000. Everyone calls it shit, but it's very good. For number 3, slicing it down towards down is the Tech 9, aka the Nub sniper gun. Well, it uses for a spam jitter click guns, and also it can use very well for dealing insane amount of damage. Many guns are on the Tech 9 is come from the terrorists, so it's very, the only problem the Tech 9 has been very nerfed up the price. The price is expected to be up $600, so this is kind of tricky for getting the pistol. Usually, we always remember that gun is pretty good. Before we get a number 2 and number 1, we're showing you the awesome honorable mentions. Number 5, we're showing you about the Desert Eagle, aka Deagle, which is a sniper pistol we use every time. It's very good for sniper kills, and also my friend using it for headshots. It does a lot of damage, but the only problem is the gun is very tricky to aim when you use a sniper. So that's gonna be a train for you guys. On the second honorable mentions, we do have the secret guns. We do have the 5.7, which aka the jitter clicker. It does a lot of damage, and it could kill someone so much. But it also have been used at the same price, as cheaper than a Tech 9. Because everyone knows that Tech 9 can use for that. But anyone using the auto clicker on Tech 9 could turn to really nasty consequences of getting killed. Okay, now we're moving to number 2. Number 2 is very valuable for everyone, and secondly, it's valuable for me. So, and also this guy's gonna get attacked. Nope. You guys asked. So, slicing down number 2, we do have something called USPS, aka the pocket sniper. So, you guys requested me, like, this little guy can do serious damage. you can. If you can actually get this for free without like grabbing a skin for it lately, so it's easy. So like it's like an easy gun, so don't mind if you guys grab one. So it's kind of like the cheapest gun you can receive in the house, and also you can take them out so badly that I could just, well, was fucking that. Never mind. And also number 1, we recommend you guys say this, but it is the CZ75 automatic ballistic rifle. Okay. Rules and facts about the CZ. Number 1, it can be a pocket-sized AK-47, which means you can almost kill your victims. Oh shh. See that guy with the... You sick faggots. Oh, we got major trouble. I have to take you down. Shit. Ha, you missed. These dudes are the deadliest. And also, we always never know the CZ can do a insane amount of damage. So I have one in my pocket, so I'll show you. That's my Tech 9 skin. Sting, I have 2 ugly skins. This is baby, this CZ75. The only problem CZ has faced is it has a minor amount of ammunition. So you think I say minor means it's very little. It's super little. So that means you can die with less ammo in a warfare. The truth is, it could be really devastating if you don't use the gun care. If you spray all the ammo. And if you have to save a couple of bullets, because each round has 12 bullets. Oh shit. Bad luck. Someone's there. Who shoot that? You! You're the one who died. Come here, punk. Damn it, sneak attack freaks. I hate those guys. But also, it is this. I want to know. This guy could kill everything in one pass. So, damn, fuck your attitude, you little guy who stole my op. Also, the CZ could be very, very dangerous to many handlers who really want to use it. It could literally blow up someone's face in seconds. But also, you can get CZ on every skin collection, so it's easy. Trust it. Okay, so, by the way, thanks for watching this video. Hope you comment and like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know which video you want extra. And also, please give a shout out to Leo. He's really good for making this video possible, thanks to him. And also, please subscribe to him. He's a very friendly person. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have fun, and see you next video. Bye.